Today I would like to talk about icons in conditional formatting, and we have two examples when we will be adding icons to cells based on minimal and maximal values in those cells, based on number of cells, and based on numbers, just numbers that we will put in proper place. So let's start with a simple example. Just select the range, go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and we want to choose icons. And I would like to use those three arrows. And just like that, I have arrows in cells with values. And we can see that we have 4 cells with yellow arrow, because the default option for conditional formatting for icons is based on minimal and maximal value. So if the number is close to minimum value, we will get red arrow. It is close to max value, it will get green arrow, and somewhere in the middle it will get a yellow arrow. And this is the first example, but sometimes I want to get those arrows based on number of cells. So I have here 24 cells and I want 8 yellow arrows, green arrows, and red arrows. So I have to go now Home tab, Conditional Formatting, and Manage Rules, because I want to edit the rules I added here. So Edit Rule, and I can change here the percent type to percentile type, and thanks to that we'll be now looking at number of cells, not values in those cells. So 1/3 of cells should be red arrow, and based on those values, so those values is in percentage, so 33% of values should be cells exactly, and should be with red arrows, so and so on. So I can just press OK, once again OK, and now I can see I have now 8 yellow arrows. Okay, so this is the second example, and I want another data to show icons based on value. So I want to show only 0 as, let's say, for example, yellow arrow, and values, positive values, as a green arrow, and negative values on the red arrow. So first of all, I have to select all cells that I want to show with those icons. Then I have to go Home, Conditional Formatting, and I can choose the icons based on the full settings, but I have here too many green arrows, so I will go to the new rule, and I will choose in the first rule type conditional formatting icon sets, and I need icons, those icons I want here, and I have to change percent to number, precisely 0, and only 0 will be getting this yellow rectangle. I have to change this to larger than, so values larger than 0, because we choose here number, will get green triangle, values equal to 0 will get this yellow rectangle, and below 0 we will get red rectangles. And I have to also check one more thing here, this checkbox, because I just want to show icons, not values, and I can press OK here, and I have just icons in those cells. So to be precise, I have here calculations, and in the L column I just have copied values from K column, but I wanted to add here conditional formatting, and I can't make them a bit narrower. And just like that, I use icons in conditional formatting in different ways.